So being new to this content creator thing, I do stuff and forget to film it. So I thought about this after the fact, but then again, the activity itself wasn't extremely entertaining, but you can hear me talk about it. So in the backyard, I just finished tilling up the garden. Ta-da! This is the second pass. Yeah, so this is the second pass just to break up any of the clay that was, or the really sticky stuff. We've had some good rain. We also incorporated some additional organic matter. So one of the things that I do for organic matter, or additional cellulitic matter, cellulose, is shredded paper. Packaging material, well actually, two things. Cardboard, and then packing paper from Amazon orders or other orders. That's just the brown craft paper, and the white stuff is junk mail. Oh, I don't want to put that in the garden. Worms don't care. Ooh, I think another ear of corn. Another thing we do with Amazon boxes is compost of a sort. It's a little rough right now because this is, spring. It's March. So the corn that I found, no, I'm sorry, this is April, early April. Cardboard goes in between the rows of plants. This is a path going to our compost bin. Oh, look, a pizza box. You can't recycle pizza boxes because of the grease that's on them, but again, the worms don't care. The ants don't care. The only thing you have to be careful with on any of this, sorry I made a mess taking out some aggression, is on these boxes, the labels and the tape. You want to remove the plastic tape and then the fiber tape, particularly like Amazon uses. And yeah, this is a little harem scarum at the moment, but after a rain shower or two, these things will settle in and they won't blow away, and it keeps the weeds down. It keeps the worms happy underneath it. So that's our garden bed. I think it's about 14 feet wide and about 30 feet long, I think. This is all we've had to work with out at the new place. We have a bed about, let me see if I can do the math on this. So it's about this wide, and it's probably to the shadow. So it's that big. We've got currently we have a bed out at the new place that's nothing but onions and garlic that's that big. That is mind-boggling. And it was just, here, let's clear a spot, put these onions down, and put this garlic down. We put some of my brother's garlic there. It's got red tinges on it. And it'll come back in next year. And we can have onions and garlic there forever. Or we can move it, whichever. But it's, to have a garden bed that big of nothing but onions and garlic, it's kind of amazing. More to come. So this is the corn, well, some of the corn that I've found in the garden. It's been sitting outside all winter long in the garden. See how plump the kernels are. It's been rained on, no mildew. I mean, obviously it's not a fully developed ear of corn, but this is perfect seed corn. And this is a more defined ear of corn that I found last week, and it's been inside the house, and you can see it's already started to dry and dimple. So these will have to be soaked before we plant them. But again, a great example of seed corn. The surprise find this year is this. Can't explain why it's pink, and no, it doesn't rub off. So it's got to be a crossbreed of what we planted in the something nearby. Who knows? We'll see in a couple of months.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.